Hello, class, and welcome to our very first lecture series on Principles of Accounting or Financial Accounting. And I'm your instructor, Dr. Jamel. Regarding a short introduction of mine, some of you already know me from my previous courses, and some already are taking a couple of courses during this semester. So just a short introduction of mine. I got my PhD from Donghua University, and I have been associated with CIP since 2014. And beside, I am CFA, I have MBA, BCom, and all other certifications as well. Okay, now it's your turn. So please introduce yourself, your name, your semester, and your nationality. Okay, so I'm going to start with Pavarun.
Hello, my name is Horan and I'm from Thailand. I'm in my third semester.
Good. Marco.
Yeah, my name is Marco. I'm in Shanghai. This is also my third semester right now. I'm from Italy and Germany.
Good, Marco. Then we have Nana.
Hello, my name is Nana. I'm from Thailand. This is my third semester. Sorry for the camera. I don't have one.
Okay. And I cannot read Chinese, so it's better with someone. Who's this?
Oh, I think you mean Joao Paulo.
Oh,
Talking with me?
the name was written in Chinese. I think he got disconnected. Okay. Spike.
Yeah, hello everyone. My name is Faik. I'm from Libya and currently in Shanghai. This is my fifth semester.
Fifth semester. Nice. Let me, I think, pin this guy. So the person who just write his name in Chinese, who are you?
I'm sorry, I'm using this account because I can't connect to Jumo because I don't know I'm outside.
I think you are really happy with the Okay, don't worry about that. Your internet is
I got a
Sorry about that. My connection was just restarted. Here we go. So we have Miria.
Hello, sir. My name is Mireia. I'm from Spain, and it's my third year studying marketing.
Third year, which means you are in sixth semester.
So, yeah.
Oh, good. Mirko.
Hello. I'm Mirko. I'm from Italy. Now I'm in Italy. This is my fifth semester.
Okay, good. Subhan.
Hello, my name is Subhan. I'm from Azerbaijan. I plan to graduate next semester.
Okay. Then we have Venetia, right?
Hi, my name is Felicia and I'm from Indonesia and this is my third semester.
Okay. We have non-takant, right?
Yes, hi, I'm Tin. I'm from Thailand and this is my third semester.
Can we call you 10?
Yes,
Okay, good. Then we have Momo. Kiranan, Oliver.
Yes. Hello, my name is Vernon. You can also call me Noon. I'm from Thailand, and this is my sixth semester.
Okay. Who's left? I think everybody's done, right? Okay, Mimi.
Hi, my name is Milan, but you can call me Mimi. I'm from France, and this is my fifth semester also.
We have Priscilla.
Hello, my name is Priscilla. I'm from Madagascar, and this is my third semester.
We have David.
Hello, I'm David. I'm from London. This is my third year, so it's my fifth semester.
Fifth semester. Good. Any other? Marco, right? Marco done? Yes, done. And then Noon also done. Okay, can you introduce yourself again? Who are using Chinese name?
Okay, my name is João Paulo. I am in my fifth semester, and hopefully for next class, I'm gonna be with my Jumo account. I just don't know how I'm gonna fix it.
Okay, good, good, good. No worries.
Thank you.
Okay. Okay, cool, good. Okay, let's start. So the preferred course book that we are going to follow in this semester is Accounting by Warren Reeve and Dukhak. And also the second preferred book going to be Financial Accounting by Harrison, Hunkrin, and Thomas. So lucky you, I have the PDF. I would be sharing you the material that what we discuss in our class. Okay, so this tension that you don't have the textbook is now gone. Okay, now regarding exam policy, I'm really glad that a number of people, like 22 people, they took this course. So my exam policy gonna be 10% attendance, which include question and answer, behavior in the class, and regarding behavior, we will talk about in our next slide. Assignments and quizzes is going to be 30%. So this semester, I also included quizzes in this 30%. The percentage is yet to be decided. So I would be, I think, making like 50-50 or maybe 10-20 or something. So just remember that the total is 30%. And midterm exam 30%, final is 30%. So remember, the attendance, assignments, and quizzes are in your hands. If you attend the class, I'm sure you can easily get 10 by 10 in quiz, right? If you participate in question and answer. So remember, 40% is in your hand. All you need to do, just secure 20% from this 60%. So even if you are feeling bad day or if you couldn't make it to mid or final, you still can pass this course. Just you need to secure 20% out of 30% here, 30% here. Okay. So the important part here is the behavior in the class here. What I consider misconduct is class disruption. So remember, weak internet connection is not the class disruption. Okay. Using mobile phone, right, in front of the camera, because this is going to be recorded as well, or attending calls in front of a camera. So the ethics is that you turn off your camera if it's an important call. First of all, make your mobile phone on vibration mode or silent mode. And if this is important call, you can turn off your camera and then go and then attend the call. Okay, because this is going to be recorded so that everybody is, you know, they feel okay even after they are watching my recorded lectures as well. Okay. And the most important part is disrespecting either teacher or fellow student, especially fellow students. So remember, I consider question as a positive sign. Whether this is a stupid question, whether this is an easy question, tough question, a question is question. Okay. I would not allow anyone to mock your fellow student, your classmates, on asking some stupid or simple or silly or easy question. A question is question. Okay. I would encourage every one of you to please ask questions as much as you can. But remember, the question should be according to our subject, accounting. It shouldn't be with some kind of Yemen war, some Americans war, right? It's nothing to be like more, question regarding to be, politics or match or sports, right? So I hope you understand. You are mature enough to understand this. And of course, the last one, which is, I know it's very hard for you guys to control, because I know you are in your teenagers and you love to use the word have or what the H, right? So please do not use these languages, especially these foul words, right? Because we are going to be recorded and it creates a really bad impression even for your reputation, my reputation, and most importantly, the institution reputation. Okay, so please be very careful using foul languages, especially the word F. Okay, are we agree? Faik, 10, Marco, Noon?
Yep.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, everyone. David,
Yes.
Subhan,
Yeah.
Priscilla, Mimi.
Yes, sir.
Rebecca. Good, good, good. Okay. Too many students. I couldn't, speak all the names, like 22 names. It would take like 2 to 5 minutes. So I would just pick random. Okay. So don't just get offended that if I, didn't call my name. Okay. Don't get offended because we are having, I think, fairly big class. Okay. So are you ready to start this exciting journey with us? So let me inject you with good knowledge. So we're lecture 1. And we are going to start with our chapter 1 of accounting. So number 1, why we are studying the accounting? Because accounting is the language of business. Like what we are having a common language, English. Bodisia is in Indonesia, Mimi is in, I think, in France, or Piranan, Noon is in Thailand,